All right, hey boys and girls and parents, welcome to our fabulous February Fashion Month. Join us as we celebrate dressing up for coming to school. Here we go.
February 1st, wear a tutu and or tie.
February 2nd, it's a Friday. You don't have to worry about finding that cool outfit. Just come to school in your pajamas.
Hey, on Monday, February 5th, wear your team jersey, support your favorite sport. Go Astros.
And on Tuesday, February 6th, wear your precious plaid.
February 7th, Kendra through 2nd's wearing red. 3rd through 5th is wearing blue.
On Thursday, February 8th, your future's so bright you have to wear shades.
On Friday, February 9th, we're dressing up 100th day of school, dress old.
Hey guys, on Monday, February 12th, you can be a superhero and wear a cool cape. On Tuesday, February 13th, day before Valentine's, it's Crazy Hair Day.
On Wednesday, Valentine's Day, wear your pink or your red.
On Thursday, February 15th, wear your camo.
On Friday, February 16th, get ready for the color run, wear white. February 19th, it's Wacky Tacky Day. Wear whatever you want, match it up.
Tuesday, February 20th, wear green.
February 21st, wear your hat or hats. Hey, February 22nd, wear plaid. Peace, love, plaid. February 23rd, dress like Dixie Day or go Texan Day. Woo!
Monday, February 26th, dress smart.
Tuesday, February 27th, dress it up. You can wear a dress, you can wear tux, whatever makes you dressy.
Wednesday, February 28th, silly socks.
Thursday, March 1st, let's end our fun February Fashion Day with dressing in your bright colors for our last day for the attend dance.
All right.